Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a...
Hey guys, it's your girl Quincy here. So today I'll be shooting a video of me going to buy fruits at a local vending place. Yes, on the road, street side vending actually. So back here in Jamaica, persons come up and create all sorts of jobs to keep themselves employed and to keep earning an income or finding a way to earn an income. So today I'll be showing you guys what it's like to actually buy fruits from a local fruit vendor on the street and how you go about getting your fruits there and yeah, the pricing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you like, share, comment and subscribe as I continue to create videos like these. But yes, as I say, it's going to be exciting walking to get fruits from someone on the streets and not actually in a supermarket. So yes. So can you just take up a sweet potato and then meanwhile? I never hear sweet potato.
Why is stuff like this?
I think that's it. No, I'm gonna say I think that's it. I should buy a banana. I'm not seeing no.
That's my best friend, that's my best friend.
Give me 3 bananas as well.
Think of food, bitch, message, I'm skeet out the niggas on him. And that's my best friend, my best
Walking towards another stall down the road.
Nobody open the door. Homie, I blow by the hour. Burning it down. Good shit is all that I know. I had all that before.
Oh, what's up?
Who's
up? She?
Yeah.
So I got myself 3 coconuts. I left 2 outside to be chopped. An orange, 5 peppers, 2 pounds of sweet potato, a pound of melon, 3 ripe bananas, and a pound of yam. That's what I got. The peppers cost 100, the oranges for 50, 150 per coconut, 150 per pound of melon, 150 per pound of sweet potato, which I got 2 pounds. The same goes for yam, which I got 2 pounds. $100 for 3 bananas, $100 worth of okra. Yeah.